Alright, so what's up? Anyways, I'm just gonna make this one real quick. I got my permobile wheelchair. Sometimes, well, before I ended up turning on this airplane mode. I didn't even know I had it. Didn't know what it did. All I know is it kept flashing, and it sometimes would get irritating. I didn't really care, but I didn't figure out that you can turn it on or off until my wheelchair mechanic came. It was like, oh yeah, you just turn it off this way. Um, but if he didn't show me that, I had no idea how to turn it off. So if you guys have this like airplane mode and you want to turn it off real quick, I'm gonna just show you how to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro now, show you how to do it. Anyways, leave a like, follow, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna keep making videos, but yeah, if you want to support or see the next video coming out, do that. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of this sometimes annoying airplane mode. It doesn't really do anything. I mean, airplane mode, it's like on my phone, right? But I mean, it's kind of the same. It's kind of like when you go traveling and you have to store your wheelchair. They have to do that. I don't know. I don't know why or what it turns on or off, but anyways, it doesn't stop you from being able to use your wheelchair or use your Bluetooth technology or anything. But just to get rid of that little flashy airplane mode on, I'm going to show you. So you go into your tilt method. And when you're in your tilt method, all you have to do is push your joystick to the right and hold it until it beeps. And voila, it's gone. And I meant left. I'm not the greatest with my left and rights. Anyways, that's how you turn off the airplane mode on a permobile. Alright, take it easy, everyone.